Welcome to this software training series on how to create custom AI assistants, or GEMs, within Google Gemini. In this video, we'll introduce you to GEMs, your personal AI tools that act as an AI mini-me tailored to your specific needs. Why create a personal gem? They save time by automating repetitive tasks, utilize specialized knowledge by incorporating your data, maintain a consistent tone, and provide focused, noise-free help. To create a gem, you must have the Gemini Advanced subscription, which is a premium feature. This plan is accessible via Google One AI Premium and includes 2 terabytes of cloud storage space. Now let's walk through the simple 5-step guide for building your first gem. No coding is required. Step 1. Open the Gem Manager. Go to gemini.google.com and find the Gem Manager icon or the plus button in the left sidebar. For the easiest setup experience, it is recommended to use your desktop. Step 2 is to define the identity. Give your gem a short, descriptive name, like Social Media Guru. Write a brief description explaining its primary goal, which helps you easily find the right tool later on. Step 3 is to provide instructions. Define its role, such as a senior developer or a friendly tutor. Set the tone and style, and list the exact steps it should perform when given data. A custom gem offers a significant efficiency boost, reducing research and formatting time by over 90% compared to manual processes. Custom gems effectively allow anyone to be a software developer using nothing but their own words. Popular use cases include creating a coding tutor to explain errors, a writing editor for consistent brand voice, or a marketing guru for social media captions.